So I released a video not too long ago exposing myself for having a waifu, and I thought I'd do a follow-up video, sort of commentary style. Been playing some Fall 2 recently, and been having some fun. Recorded some of the gameplays. Thought it might be fun to kind of do something with this. And I'm gonna guess you're probably like, okay, so you're doing a follow-up to that. So like, what are you gonna talk about? You're gonna talk about you're gonna talk about your waifu. You're gonna talk about sort of what you think of having a waifu, what it's like, maybe talking about sort of where you think the lines are drawn, when it's okay, when it's not okay, what's going too far. But maybe think you I'll be talking about some of that. And well, the answer is actually I'm not going to be talking about any of those things because those are all actually important topics that are worth discussing, which we don't do that here. So basically, I'm going to be proving today that yes, your waifu loves you. Yes, your waifu loves you. So we're going to be using circular reasoning. For those of you who don't know, circular reasoning is one of the most scientifically proven methods of proving something. So basically, the way scientists realize how good circular reasoning is they sat down and they went and they looked at all the evidence for circular reasoning and decided that circular reasoning is good. So basically, what circular reasoning is, for those of you who don't know, it's where you make a claim, an argument, and you proceed to explain how that argument is true. How you proceed to explain how you're right. So circular reasoning is a pretty common form of reasoning that a lot of people use every day in their everyday lives, honestly. But it's very rarely used effectively. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be talking about how your waifu does indeed love you. So let's just start by laying out the facts here. So what is a waifu? That's obviously an important thing to describe. Basically, according to Google, a waifu is an animated character, usually from anime, manga, video game, whatever, who a person, I cannot speak, I'm sorry, who a person feels particularly attracted to. So an animated character who a person feels particularly attracted to, aka has a crush on. Now, I don't really think that's a very fair, I mean, it's fair, but I feel like it's a little too broad. I would add and feels an attachment to, that you actually feel a bit of an attachment to the character, and that it's not just, oh yes, Zelda from Breath of the Wild is pretty, because yes, she is pretty, but she's not my waifu. Like, is she pretty? Yes. Is she my waifu? No. I think that, to be a little more specific, is that you actually kind of entertain that crush. That's not just whenever you happen to see that character, you think, oh yes, that character is cute or pretty or whatever, but that you actually actively seek out that character by collecting art or whatever, what have you, all the way up to like getting a body pillow or something like that. So whatever it is, basically that you really like that character and you feel a bit of an attachment to them. So that's a waifu. Now, what exactly is the purpose of a waifu? Well, the purpose of a waifu is it's a romantic attachment. So basically, you feel attached to that character romantically and you love them. The point of a waifu is love. Now, I'm gonna keep it $1.50 here and just say basically the whole point of a waifu is it's a romantic partner. Now, a romantic partner is someone who you love and who loves you. So basically, yes, your waifu loves you because that's what a romantic partner is. Someone who loves you and you love them. So yes, your waifu loves you. It's true. It is true that your waifu loves you. The reason your waifu loves you is because that's what a waifu is. A waifu, it is love. That is the point of a waifu, and thus, your waifu loves you. It's true. Absolutely true, and there's nothing you can say to debunk this. You want to know why? Because I use circular reasoning, and circular reasoning is an infallible way of proving something true. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yes, your waifu does love you. If you have a waifu, I'm sure most people watching this, most people who watch my channel probably don't. Maybe they do. I don't know. That's not really, like, if you're subscribed to my channel, probably don't. If you are just following me on Game Jolt, you just watched the video when I linked it, link to my Game Jolt in the description, I guess, then you might have a higher chance, because, like, my YouTube channel started off with the Minecraft community, which doesn't really have a lot of shipping. My Game Jolt started off with the Undertale community, so you can imagine that there's more of an overlap there. So, there might be some difference, but yeah. So I hope, yeah, and yes, remember, yes, your waifu loves you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe. Tell me if you'd like to see more content like this. I got some more ideas for these kinds of videos, and I'm out. Peace.